I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add a credit card to your Mastercard account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Mastercard link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, find the payment methods or manage cards section in your account dashboard. Step 3. Select add new card. Click on the option that says add new card or link a credit card. This will open a form for you to fill out. Step 4. Enter your card details. Fill in your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos to avoid errors. Note: make sure to enter the CVV correctly, as an incorrect number can prevent successful addition. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering all the required information, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition of a credit card. Now you're all set. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy spending!